boy, here's a beauty that was just traded in. 1961 Chevrolet Impala, done up in an SS Tribute, and a very nice job at that. See the chrome and the bright work really pops in this car. Beautiful red on red exterior to interior with a white power top. Underneath the hood, 348 tri-power, power steering, power brake car. Riding on the wide whites, wheel covers. You can see how straight this car is too. Go ahead and check out the still pictures. You like to see the engine bay, the underside, interior. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, like always, you can feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. Any questions about the car or would like to know about transportation, check out the fender skirts or the wheel wells there. Just one of the coolest here is in the Impala, in my opinion. Bench seat, vinyl, red and white two-tone interior. Did I mention it's a 4-speed car? How cool is that? Nice driver. This car be comfortable at any shows, cruise-ins, or out for that Sunday ice cream. Top down. Definitely turn some heads. Again, those still pictures, you want to check out the trunk, interior, underside. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Once again, that phone number is 507-386-1726. Just look at the lines of this thing. Bright work. Like they say, don't make them like this anymore. Never will. Now's your chance to own one. Be able to enjoy it. Do some driving, have some fun. Slip around here, show you the rest of the interior when I fire it up for you too, so you hear this run. Nice sounding, nice running car. Check out that top too. It is an automatic top. Switch does work. Switch forward is actually right under there. Up and down. Those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com will have the top. Listen to that. You got the old school tack in there. It is functional. Got the very stock looking dash. How cool is that? Got a neat steering wheel too. 61s. So there you have it. 1961 Impala convertible, little SS Tribute. Nice looking car, nice smooth running car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com.